What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have had this for almost a year now. Everything that I'm going to show you is made for an RV that's going to be stationary and not moving around. This is the Wolf Pup 2021 16FQ trailer. It's about 17 feet. I love it because of the window, and that was really a selling point for me. On the outside, you'll see here that there is a fridge, so you can put drinks on the outside. You don't have to go inside to get any kind of drinks. Then we go on the other side to some storage, outside storage. And I have a lot of stuff in here I need to go through and organize, but some extension cords, my mop and broom, some chairs. So basically my outside stuff goes out here. So this is the front. There's another window where the kitchen is and the bed, which was really appealing to me because I like to look outside. This is where the water hookup is. And then there's an outside shower too if you needed to shower outside. I've never used it. The shower inside for me is good enough. To where the electric is, and then the septic tank is here. Because I'm stationary, I keep the cord on, but if you were traveling, you would just take this off, pop it in here, and then I have a little piece that goes in here. This is the black water tank and the gray water. This is the front door. So I put my composting stuff here, and then I bring it over to where I compost. And then when you first come in, you see the bed. I keep the bed out because it's just easier for me to do so. You have the option of pulling it up into a couch. I decided not to do that. It's just easier for me to not. Over here, when you first walk in, there's a closet. It's laundry day, so I only have one thing clean. I gotta do my laundry. So usually there would be stuff hung up in the closet. And then over the bed is some additional storage. So I have some additional clothing items up here, socks, underwear, bras, and then some linen stuff on the other side. And then on the other side, this is also for clothes. I put like my winter coats and sweaters and additional like bags and stuff in here. Florida doesn't really get a winter, so our version of winter. Then over here, I have a little shelf. And then it's 3 stories, so I have like books. I put some electronic stuff on there. And then I have my dog blankets and then my file organizer. So any important papers go in there. Some additional, you know, baskets for the dogs. Their water bowl. Then I hang my bags on this little side table thing. And then I just have some decorations. Like I said, I'm stationary, so it doesn't really matter. And then under the bed, I keep my shoes that I use all the time. And then under the bed, right here, is additional storage where I have stuff that I don't really need. For me, I don't really go out a lot, so I keep that stuff under the bed. But it's easy to lift the bed up to get those items if I need to. Say I'm going to a wedding or whatever, I can access those when I need to. Okay, so here's the front door. And I just have some things hanging to make it a little bit more homey. I got this from one of my family members for a card. And then I have this little cute hanging thing that I got from probably the dollar section at Target or the dollar store, I can't remember. And then here is where I hang some bags, my keys, a hat. And this is just a command strip. That I got from Target. Then I have some decorations on the side of the bed over here. I got these at Hobby Lobby for when I was living in my apartment, and I didn't want to get rid of them. I put them up here just so I could have some decoration, but also reuse what I already had. And these are also held up by command strips. Then we go over here to the kitchen area. For me, I just like cute things, so I wanted to decorate it. But this is what the kitchen looks like. I have my floor mat. I got this at Target for I think like $5 or $6. I have this little silicone dry mat, which has like been a lifesaver for me. Here I have some of like my miscellaneous stuff, like chargers, matches, things like that. And then some decoration. These were from the dollar store. I got this at Target. Just thought it was really cute. And then this I got from the dollar store, just to add some decoration. I got my little Dobby figurine down there, and then these are from my mom, and then I just put some fake plants in here. And then I got this cute little frame from another friend who has a thrift store. I'll put her information down. She has a cute little shop. The basket over there is from my friend, and I'll put her information down too. So here's the stove. It is run by propane, and it has like a glass covering. So you just lift it up when you want to use it, and it just goes right there. Stays up, and then you can put your pan on there and cook, which is really nice. Also have the sink right here, and then a really cool feature about this is that this actually covers the sink, and it's huge, which you don't really see a lot of in RVs, so that was really appealing. Up here in the cabinets, I have my dish stuff. I hung all of my cooking stuff up with command strips, and then I just have my dishes here, very randomly placed. And then I have a microwave up here above the stove. For the kitchen area, I don't have an oven, but that's okay because I don't really cook, so that doesn't matter. Over here, we have a fridge. And it's actually a very nice sized fridge, which was really important. We have a freezer here and then a fridge here. Right here is a painting from my friend's grandfather. He gave it to me when we were visiting him in Savannah. It's just beautiful, and I thought it fit perfectly in the kitchen area. And up here above the kitchen, we have my pantry, is what I like to call it, with all my pantry stuff in it. Little decoration. I have this rolling pin that my mom, I think, got in Europe when we lived there, and then some coasters, and then just things that I keep out, like my planner and books or whatever that I'm reading. This table actually turns into a bed. So next I'm going to show you the bathroom. And we come in here. So first things first, I have some hooks hung up to hang my washcloth and then my towel. I actually got these towels at Target with the little hoops in them. I thought that was great. And I also got this at Target as well. I kind of use it as my, you know, miscellaneous medicine cabinet. And we come in, here's the toilet. So I got this organizer actually on the side of the shower from Target, and it fit perfectly in there, so I had to buy it. There's my trash can, my toilet paper holder, and then my laundry basket on the side. Now this might seem crowded for some people. For me it works out. And then I'm gonna bring you over to the shower. You know, it's not for people who are giant, but I'm 5'2", so it actually works out perfectly for me. And we come over here, and this is some of my stuff that I use, my makeup brushes, and then this is just a mess. I gotta go through this, but this is stuff I use on daily, like face wash, toothbrush, toothpaste, all that stuff. And then down here, there's some more storage for my makeup and my hair products, first aid, some towels. This is where I keep all my makeup in here. That's pretty much it. It's a tiny RV. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. But I thought I would show you what I'm doing now and how I'm utilizing it, and if you have any tips or tricks for me, leave it down below. So that's basically my RV in a nutshell. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video, and stick around for next week's video. I don't know what it's gonna be, but hopefully it's interesting. All right, thanks guys. I will see you next time. Bye.